Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you hide the navigation bar from your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, go ahead and enter the website where you want to remove your navigation bar for. So after clicking on the website guys, now this will open up our website in our page and now we'll be able to edit our website. So guys, how do you remove this navigation bar? Well, it's very easy. The first thing that you guys, go ahead to the left side of the screen where all the options are and click on this second option right here called design. So guys, go ahead and click on design. Now this will again open up a couple more options that you can use. You want to go ahead and click this option right here called custom CSS. So guys, go ahead and click on custom CSS and now you can see that you can now enter some code. Guys, you want to go ahead and enter the same exact code that I'm going to paste here. Go ahead and type in header display none, just exactly write me, enter these columns, enter everything the same, and guys, you can see after entering that, now our header is gone and we no longer have a navigation bar. So guys, if you're satisfied, go ahead and click save option in the upper right corner, click on back, and as you can see here guys, now we have successfully removed the navigation bar from our website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.